All right, so I'm showing you various clients from various levels of fitness and lifestyle that are using the cycle diet successfully. So the next one is someone I'm really proud of, JP. JP's been with me, by the time you see this, he's been with me about a year. And he's made remarkable progress before and after. His transformation has just been amazing. So here's someone who was formerly overweight. And the progress he made was just starting like in that relative calorie deficit that we talk about to get lean before he began the cycle diet. With the cycle diet always in the back of my mind is, can he or can he follow the cycle diet? Being overweight for so long, could we optimize his metabolism and get him into super compensation mode? So first, that's the point. As I told you many times throughout this course, the whole thing about cycle diet is getting into super compensation mode. It's not about just having cheat days, all right? So he stuck to his diet, and it's a bit trickier getting someone who was previously overweight into super compensation mode, but we did it. But first we have to optimize metabolism and get it humming along again. Now we did that because JP was committed, and he was resilient, he was disciplined, he followed the relative calorie deficit diet for as long as it took. He kept training consistently with the programs I gave him. And then how we introduced the cycle diet with JP is a little different. We started him first just on cheat meals, because for someone who was formerly overweight, we have to see how he adopts just to a cheat meal and see how his body responds to that. So I started him very slowly introducing the overfeeds first as just cheat meals on like special occasions or things that he had coming up. But here's the magic of the cycle diet and what he was able to do even before we got him into full cycle dieting as a lifestyle. Take a look at him on his vacation. Here he was, he achieved the leanness, he was just starting out with cheat meals, and then his vacation came up for a cruise, so I said, take the whole time off of diet, don't worry about it, enjoy yourself, and you can see he indulged in everything there was. And the fact there is people kept coming up to him, asking him how he trains, asking him what he eats. People were saying, well, you know, they would see his plate and say, you can't eat that and look like that, and it would dumbfound people because people are led to believe the opposite. So he took the whole vacation off his diet, and we knew his metabolism was optimized. I just wanted to see just how optimized it was, what level of super compensation he was in. Was he flirting with it? Was he deep into it? I wouldn't know that till after his vacation when he went back onto the diet, and when he did, his weight came right back down again. So you can see the effectiveness of the cycle diet once you're in super compensation mode. You don't have to be in super compensation mode for years and years for it to work. So we optimized his metabolism, we got him into super comp mode, and now fast forward, since his vacation, we moved him from a cheat meal to a half cheat day, and now I've moved him, just told him this week that he's now on full cheat days. So once a week now, he gets a full cheat day off his diet, and you know, he's eating whole pies and whole cakes and things like that, and you can see how lean he is and the transformation he made. And he didn't do that because he's sworn off ever having indulgent foods ever again. So he maintains his transformation and actually enhances his physique transformation because of the cycle diet as a lifestyle and because of staying in super compensation mode. So here's a guy just starting out in the cycle diet as a lifestyle. First, we just used the cheat meals to optimize metabolism, give it a jolt, and then we gauged his level of super compensation. He takes a vacation, the whole time off diet, eating ice cream and eating burgers and fries and yada yada. Lifts that metabolism up again, creates thermogenesis, comes back, gets on his diet strategy. Lo and behold, now from cheat meals as part of the cycle diet strategy, he's fully into the full cheat days, and I'll probably end up having to giving him a midweek spike as well. So that's what happens when you can train your metabolism. So JP is a really good example because he's someone I'm very proud of, because most people who were overweight never actually get lean. They might lose some weight. 95% of people who lose weight regain it all and then some. And that's because they don't take care of metabolism. With JP, we did both. We took care of metabolism, and we optimized it, and then we got him into super comp mode. So he's a great example of what's possible with the cycle diet, and now he's fully into the cycle diet mode by the time you see this. Let's move on to a couple other examples.